Okay, here we are looking at the second word problem example for Math 7 notes for 4-6. So again, our first step is telling us to assess the situation. Read through for any keywords, any fluff, and you'll see here we have clear examples of fluff in this example. Ariana is saving her money to buy a new sparkly purple bike that costs $189. She has already saved $99. Ariana plans to save her $10 allowance each week that she gets from completing her chores. How many weeks will it take her to save enough money to buy the bike? You must write an equation and a let statement. Okay, so some important information. We know that this bike costs $189. What we don't care about is that it's new and sparkly and purple. That is what we would call fluff. That is information that we do not care about. That information is not relevant to us finding out how many weeks it will take her to save up that money. We don't care what the bike looks like. We don't care where she gets it from, etc. She has already saved $99. That's important, right? Already saving $99. That's $99 less that she has to save. And then they also tell us that she's going to save $10 from her allowance each week. Again, this other stuff over here, she gets from completing her chores. Who cares? That's fluff. That's extra reading that they're making you do to try and trip you up. How many weeks will it take her to save enough money to buy the bike? And that is my cue. That's where I've got my cue, my question. So, number 2 says to define a variable. And again, remember, your let statements are coming directly from the question. So this question was asking me how many weeks will it take? So I am going to let X, and again, I always use X because I'm boring and plain. You're more than welcome to use W for the number of weeks or whatever. So let X equal the number of weeks, coming right from the question. How many weeks? Okay, now we make our equation. Step 3. Again, we need a total, right? An equation needs to have an equal sign. So what number is like my total, that total cost? So I know my equation is going to be equal to 189. So now, how do I get up to that 189? I've got this $99 that I've saved already and this $10 allowance each week. So X is the number of weeks. Is the X going to go with the 99 or the 10? Well, the 99 is only happening once. It's already happened. She's already saved that. Whereas the $10 is happening, keyword, each week, meaning that the 10 is the one that gets multiplied by X. So 10X plus, because I'm adding to get a total, 99. There's my equation. Now I can solve. Get the X term by itself first by dealing with that positive or plus 99. The opposite of a positive or plus 99 is minus or subtract 99. My equal sign got real switched. And 189 minus 99 gives me $90. Yes. Last but not least, that 10 is being multiplied by X. The opposite of multiplication is division, and X ends up being equal to 9. However, again, we are not done at this point because we need to finish this off with an answer sentence because it's not just 9, it's 9 weeks. So it will take her 9 weeks to save enough money. And you could use her name, you could put in there Ariana, or you could just use the pronoun, so you don't have to write as much. And that's it, that's all. Having all those requirements, making sure that you've got your let statement, your answer sentence, an equation, solving work, and an answer, and you're golden.